What's up, everybody? This is Eva. Today, I will introduce you guys for our LED letters and lightbox to you. Don't go away, follow me right now. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the link below the video to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for growing your business right now. Let's see this letter first. Remarkable lumineers effect, making your store more fashionable on the street. Then let's see the lightbox on my left hand here, alright? The light from the side is in rears, which can attract a lot of customers even in the daytime. These two products are so popular in the United States, isn't really eye-catching right now. So if you are looking for an attractive shop site, don't hesitate to choose us. Choose lcsign, okay? No matter what your business is, I believe LED chat letters and all of our products like the lightboxes can help you grow your business. Not every site factory will choose and have such a wealth of exhibition experience and such a complete supply chain. So if you are still looking for a reliable signage supplier, lcsign is your best choice. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that right now. Hit the like button and comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.